So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on advanced display. Select your correct monitor and then change your refresh rate through here. Make sure it's correct. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in dxdiag. Click on it. And then click on yes. Just wait for this to run. Once that's been done, go to the display tab. If you have any notes here, you want to follow the notes that will come up. In my case, it recommends me to update my drivers to the latest version. For the next method, there's going to be 3 links in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date for your software. Once you update your drivers, you just want to do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.